CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include halogen headlamps, MP3, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.